This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
Who the hell is this motherfucker? Oh my god. Man, you okay? You okay? Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fuck my truck up. Oh my god.
We'll be right back, Kit, in just a few minutes, but first, let's do some music now from Kim Kumar.
Whoa! They went running, the workers. What the heck just happened? Oh, somebody hit that pole. Oh my gosh. Whoa, did you see that, Emery? Look, they got in a car wreck. That. Oh gosh. Whoa. Oh, he got in a wreck. Oh shoot, Emery. Oh my God. Oh my God, Emery.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
This feature at widowconnection.com. Never feel like you're fighting a battle? We're here to remind you that your battle belongs.
Bitch!
Count on us to remind you of what's new. We're 90.1 FM, Moody Radio. This is Wayne Shepherd for the Far East.
Remember, a bowl is most useful when it is empty. See, I don't mean no disrespect, but you need to fill your bowl with some shit that makes some sense. You don't want to stand up and allow you to make your move, bitch. Get out the way. Yeah, wearing the tradition of rap battles isn't written